How to make money on YouTube without monetization. 7 easiest steps. No, don't step back. Want to run a channel, or are you already managing your channel? This question is really important before we start this video, so let us know in the comment section below. Are you satisfied with your channel analytics? No? Forget it! If you guys are not satisfied with your ads revenue, then you can adopt these ways and see your revenue multiplied by 10 times. This video is definitely for you guys. Here, we're going to describe the 7 easiest ways to make money on YouTube without the monetization. Before getting into the video, I'm going to disclose something super exciting. Guess what? The most awaited giveaway is here. We're giving 1, 2, no man, total 15 monetized channels. Yes, you heard that right. We'll announce the winner by the 30th of September. What you have to do is just subscribe to the channel and leave a comment that you have subscribed. It's that simple. For further details, contact us on Instagram. You can find us there under the same name, Cash Cow Creators. We're gonna reveal a super powerful method at the number 1 with some exciting other strategies. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. License your videos. Well, if you don't know what licensing a video means, then let us explain it to you. If you have licensed your videos, then no one can steal your content and even be unable to use it until they have paid or just bought it from the site. That's crazy and secure too. You know what? If you have successfully approved the license of your videos, then you'll get paid for them. And trust me, that's the simplest way to make money on YouTube without the monetization. How does it work? There are many licensing websites that'll make this task done for you. Only you have to submit your content there and they will promote your videos on their social channels. They make sure to deliver it to a bigger audience. What you have to do is record some short videos, either humorous or some curiosity-evolving videos. It may involve short funny clips of dogs or cats or even babies, or some amazing drone shots. Whenever somebody is interested to get it, they will pay for it, and you'll receive the payment in your online PayPal accounts. How can you get your videos licensed? Search out some best websites that can help you to license your videos, such as Jukin Media. Open the website and click on the License Videos icon. Now, sign up there, provide the information, and make your account. If you have your videos on YouTube, then paste the links there and submit the videos. With just a few minutes, your videos will be uploaded, and you have to do nothing after that. Just rest back and wait for the payment. Interested people will get those videos and you'll be getting paid in return. Note that with this technique, you'll be increasing your revenue code times, more than ads revenue, and the fact is, that's the simplest way of making money online. Promotion. The very first thing that comes to mind when starting over a YouTube channel is, we can make money by monetizing the videos, which is true by the way, but here is the next mind-blowing medium of making money on YouTube without monetization. That is promotion. So what do you guys get by hearing this term? To sell someone's content. Yeah, true. We can earn money by promoting someone else's channel link. You can easily do it even if you have like 5,000 subscribers. Hey wait, I can see somebody seems hooked on it. Well, now let's explore the 4 types of promotion. You can make a short video in which you tell your audience about the specific channel or whatever you want to produce. If you have a number of audiences, then that's the easiest way to make money through promotion. Tell something special about what you're promoting and then briefly tell your viewers to subscribe to the following channel and give the link in the description box. This way you can promote other channels and make money without the monetization. Another way is, you can promote any channel or video through your info card. Simply give its link on your info card so your audience can easily access the channel or a video you want to promote. There's one way of promotion, that is to give your link at the end screen. So people would easily get that, and that's the most common way to promote anything. I mean, if you ask me, I usually go through such end screen videos if I find them useful. Or you can give the link at the community tab with a little bit of detail of the channel. That's common and easy by the way. Merchandise. That's the craziest way to make money without even putting yourself into a bit of a struggle. Well, if you are merchandising on your own, then it would be a little hectic. You will have to handle the whole procedure from setting up the shop to delivering the orders at your own risk. But Teespring and Spreadshirt are now here to get this job done very smoothly. Let's just see how Teespring works. First of all, make your account by getting yourself registered there. Simply write Teespring on the search bar. Go to the option Login and at the end you will find the Sign Up option. Click on it and put your email and password, confirm your password and sign up. Now click on the Start Designing option at the top and select one category. Now start making your designs and let the website do the rest of the task. That's it. As you can see, you literally have to do nothing. Just to make your customized designs. Whenever someone is interested, they will buy the article and you will get your profit. No need to build up a physical shop and wait a whole day for customers. Simply just create designs and wait for your profit. Sponsorship. Want to increase your revenue 10 times more than what you're already getting from AdSense? We've got you covered. Earn through sponsorships. Here, brands will approach you and you will have to promote them. In return, you'll be paid. This is simple. The only condition is you should have a decent amount of audience. If you've got too little of an audience, then brands may not sponsor you as they can't see the chances to get promoted by your channel. Only you have to send a compelling proposal and convince them for paid promotions. One more thing, you should set some rules for yourself so no one can drag you according to their requirements. And always collaborate with the brands that you are comfortable with and which are relevant. Offer your services. How can we offer services? Or what services can we offer? You might be thinking that apart from videos, what else can you do to make money online without AdSense? Are you a consultant or a doctor by profession? Or are you a cook? Whatever skills you have, make sure to utilize them and earn online. You can arrange consulting sessions if you're a doctor or a psychiatrist. Or if you're an expert in cooking, then you can run a cooking channel. Cooking is one of the most adopted niches and really has a high CPM. You can offer your service by telling your audience about that and give the contact details. Help others and get a reward. Affiliate marketing. First of all, let me explain exactly what affiliate marketing means. If you don't know, then affiliate marketing is when we promote any product as beneficial, and if you can convince the audience to buy it on every purchase, you'll get a commission. Now, you can do marketing in basically two ways, alright? The first one, you are personally using the product and then you're making unboxing and sort of review videos, right? Secondly, you can compile up different TikTok videos made by bloggers and, promote their products. In both cases, when someone buys a particular product, you'll get a commission. Like, isn't that a super exciting way to make money on YouTube? Now let me tell you our 4 favorite affiliate links. Amazon, ClickBank, Walmart, B&H Photo. One bonus tip from my side, alright? Make sure you add affiliate disclaimers in your videos. If you don't know what it is, just simply Google it. Sell your product. Now here is what we were all waiting for the simplest and the easiest way to make money without AdSense. Sell your product. There can be 2 types of products. Physical product. If you have products related to like fashion or the latest trends, then it would be easy for you to sell your product like makeup, jewelry, organic products, or even clothes. A physical product means whatever you are selling exists physically. Digital products. On the other hand, your digital product can be your online courses. You can sell the courses too with a little bit of advertisement. Know in which category you're an expert and what your audience needs. Comparatively, a digital product is way easier to sell out because it doesn't bother you to take the headache of taking orders, packaging, and then the delivery. Ugh. So this was all for today's video. If you guys like it, then do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Do subscribe to our channel and leave a comment down below what you guys want in the upcoming videos. We'd love to hear. We'll be back with more. Up till then, stay connected.